SterilCeiling Laminar AC and disinfection system for operating room and other medical environment. First introduced by ICARELIFE in the world, it meets both the MOH disinfection standard and the combined air conditioner standard. It consists of an outlet filter section, disinfection section, chilling section and fan section. Employs a panel glazing installation method, no need for a dedicated machine room. Mainly suitable for indoor air temperature regulation and dynamic disinfection purpose. A SterilCeiling Laminar AC and disinfection unit uses a PLC control system, with remote, local, and centralized control method. The control panel allows switching between AC and disinfection control interfaces, to achieve air conditioning, disinfection, timed disinfection, and combined air conditioning and disinfection modes. Operation records and fault records can be monitored in real time via mobile or display screen, providing effective maintenance support. A SterilCeiling Laminar AC and disinfection unit has obtained patents and passed the hygiene and safety evaluation of MOH. It is a self-recirculating indoor unit with a brushless DC variable frequency fan that can adjust airflow based on duct resistance. The top supply and bottom return airflow pattern ensures thorough disinfection. The disinfection process utilizes Coulomb force molecular rupture technology, unaffected by humidity and voltage, and without ozone generation, enabling coexistence with people. Within 2 hours of operation, the unit achieves a 95.4% natural bacteria kill rate and 99.99% Staphylococcus aureus kill rate. Beyond the standard operating room, the ICARELIFE unit is designed to cater to the specific requirements of these other critical medical environments, DSA, ICU, NICU, and CSSD. etc. This solution addresses the high investment, high energy consumption, and high maintenance costs of conventional medical air treatment systems, while ensuring infection control safety for certain hospital departments, significantly reducing the construction, operation, and maintenance costs of the sterile areas.